Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. But the installation process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Okay, by default we won't get LibreOffice or any Office Suite application. See here, we don't have any LibreOffice or any Office Suite application. So open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux's Firefox. Now go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. Hit enter. See here at the time of installation the latest release is 25.2. okay, so click on download, then select again download LibreOffice. See here we have the 25.2.3. for AlmaLinux or Red Hat we have to select this RPM package. From this list we have to select RPM, then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 229 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this file and install the LibreOffice 25. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the zip file. We have to enter this file tar-xf. Then give the libre, give the 2 or 3 letters of this file, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this extracted directory, ls. Now go to this RPMs folder, cd RPMs, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. So install them, control it, sudo dnf install start.rpm, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, this is asking confirmation, type and hit enter. See, it is installing total 42 packages. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice applications. Okay, draw means it is like MS Office PowerPoint, calc means it is like MS Office Excel. So we have successfully installed. Let me open calc. It is, we will see this is the one. See, we got the application. See, its look and feel is like MS Office Excel. Okay, so we have successfully installed LibreOffice 25. If you want to verify the version, click on help and about the LibreOffice. See here version number. Okay, close this one, control A, cd, one more up, ls. This directory and this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed. So remove them, rm, give LibreOffice, give the tab, underscore, give the tab. So it is remove the file, ls, remove this directory also, rm-rf, then give this libre, give the tab, hit enter, ls. See, we have removed both the file and folder. Okay, so we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. As I told you, the process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Okay, for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.